Okay. Hey y'all.
Welcome back to the flip side.
Wait, that's my line.
Oh. What's up, y'all? I'm Dante.
Hey, it's Jay again.
And I'm Krystal Hamilton.
Y'all, we are here with Krystal Hamilton, broker, real estate investor, business strategist. I'm gonna let her introduce herself a little bit more and talk about the flip, how she acquired it, and everything like that.
Hey y'all, I'm Krystal. I got this property, it was pre-foreclosure, so the owner, is it raining?
A little bit.
The owner was behind on mortgage payments, so I picked it up. I purchased it cash using a hard money loan, and we are going to rehab it. I hired Marzett Construction to do the rehab for me. So this is the first time that we're working together, so I'm excited about it.
Let's get to this walkthrough.
Hey y'all, welcome to my flip. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. When you first come in, you have the living room area, you have the kitchen, the eat-in kitchen. We pulled up the carpet. This used to be tile. We pulled up the tile. We're gonna do new laminate flooring throughout. So the dining room area, the living room, the entryway, the actual formal dining room is gonna be all laminate floors. We are keeping the cabinets. We're just gonna repaint the cabinets. We're gonna do a new range, new microwave right here. This area is gonna be the dishwasher. I'm hoping I can get a farmhouse sink, but if I can't, that's okay. But the sink is right here. The pantry area. And the fireplace, they're gonna do new tile on the fireplace that matches the backsplash in the kitchen. In the bedroom, I think we're gonna just keep carpet in the bedroom. In the bathroom, I'm gonna keep the tile floors, and I'm also gonna keep the existing shower towel. And we're going to get new vanities for the bathroom. Are we keeping the blinds?
No. Oh, the blind? No, you don't have a blind.
No, it's just.
You talking about the curtain?
Yeah, I was just playing.
It was a skirt, like a pleated skirt.
All right, so we're gonna go upstairs. You have the second living room, which was, it used to have carpet, so we're gonna put new carpet down. This is the second bedroom, which we're gonna keep everything upstairs is gonna be carpet. So we're gonna keep the carpet. The doors are going to be painted. I don't think we're gonna replace the doors, we're just gonna paint them. And then we're gonna extend the carpet into the closet, or third bedroom. And then this is the fourth bedroom. And we're gonna do the same thing, new paint, new ceiling fans, new carpet in the closet, new fixtures, paint the door, patchwork. This is the bathroom upstairs. New flooring. They took away all of the tile. It had mold, so we're gonna do new tile, new vanities, a new mirror, and new fixtures.
We'll see y'all next time when we have more progress on this house.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
See you on the flip side.
Home is your shelter and it's your peace. And on the flip side, it could be.
Well, Ms. Krystal, thank you so much for allowing Marzett Construction and the flip side to work on your project.
Okay, you're welcome.
Place to call home is the vision. See us flip homes from beginning.
Spirit fingers.
You don't see it now, just give it time. We fix it.
Then y'all do.
See you on the flip side.
Do your handshake.
See y'all there.
Okay, you just gonna walk out there.
Do your hands.
All right.
Yeah.
Woo, did you just peace sign the camera?
Flip side.